So I'm with the cast of Mirzapur here, and you guys are looking extremely tired. कितना ये कौन सा नंबर इंटरव्यू है?
9999 something like that, yeah.
आदमी बोलने में भी थक जाता है, आज पता चला है.
तो आपको पता चल रहा है कि प्रमोशन के वक्त क्या होता है?
यस बहुत बहुत दुर्गति होती है. बट फिर भी हम बोलेंगे. आप मिर्ज़ापुर देखिए 16 नवंबर को. बेहोश होने तक बोलते रहेंगे.
We have already seen so many gangster films and web series. What is so different about this?
All the characters in Mirzapur are so mysterious that you have no idea which way they are going to tip at any given point in time. So when I was reading the script for the first time, I was like, by the third episode, I was like, I think this character is going to do this in the next episode, and I was totally wrong. So the script surprises you at every stage. Every character surprises you at every stage, and that's a very, it's a very refreshing thing to. It was a very refreshing script for me to read before I signed on to it, and I hope that it will be a very refreshing show to watch for all of you.
I think it's first of its kind where you don't really have anyone who's सीधा साधा. Every character has something going on और कहीं ना कहीं ग्रे में हम लोग प्ले कर रहे हैं, which was very refreshing to read also because which is very human like.
If you had to choose between films and a web series, which one would you choose?
सिनेमा का मज़ा है कि वो बड़े पर्दे पे दिखती है, और इसका मज़ा है कि इसमें वक्त ज़्यादा मिलता है कि आप अपने कैरेक्टर को, प्लॉट को, प्रीमाइस को और बेहतर तरीके से दिखा पाएँ.
While working on it, a web series, when you see it, a film.
तेरा कमरा बंद 200-300 लोग साथ बैठ के देखते हैं, उसका एक्सपीरियंस अलग होता है. ये अकेले में देख रहे हैं आप, ऐसे नीचे हाथ सर झुका के, और वो है सर ऐसे करके देख रहे हैं.
एंड स्पेशली मिर्ज़ापुर तो लाइक मैंने अपनी फैमिली को यही बोला है कि बिल्कुल भी सोचिएगा भी मत, आओ साथ बैठ के देखें. ये सबको अलग अलग देखना है जाके, तो अलग अलग देखना, कुछ फैमिली टाइम सोच के मत करना कि आओ मिर्ज़ापुर देखें सब.
I have heard that the most difficult is comedy, to play a comic role. ये कितना difficult होता है?
Comedy is any day is much more difficult, but because I always feel with drama, no, you have the assistance of dialogues, a certain kind of lighting, a camera movement, a certain kind of background score. You know, ये सारी चीज़ें assist करती हैं. But a comedy is like one block shot, करो बेटा. और मतलब अब ये चूके तो गए, मतलब it's a domino effect. एक चूका तो पूरा सीन गया. So दोनों का अपना मजा है, I'm sure.
बैकग्राउंड स्कोर कॉमेडी में कुछ मदद नहीं कर सकता, ड्रामा में कर सकता है. हाँ, वहाँ एक्टर ही है.
हाँ, अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है तो थोड़ा डार्क लाइट कर दो, बैकग्राउंड बढ़ा देंगे, थोड़ा ट्रॉली व्रॉली कर दो, वो हो जाएगा. बट कॉमेडी में ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
You know, a lot of different kind of roles are written now. Do you think कि cinema as a whole is developing like that?
I think new stories are coming, new characters are coming, and I think it was high time that we needed a break from the so-called one typical guy doing everything in the film. People are realizing the importance of writing a lot more now कि it has to be legit. ये सिर्फ ऐसे ही नहीं होगा कि लिख दो और थोड़ा टशनबाजी से शूट कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा. With web, people are much more brave.
एक्टर के लिए, स्टोरी टेलर के लिए, डायरेक्टर के लिए, सिनेमा के लिए अभी बेस्ट टाइम चल रहा है ये सबके लिए.
I think it's a great time to be an actor, as Pankaj said, because I think really with the web space, there have been new players who've been invited to play the game finally. And as Divyendu very rightly said, and finally writing is getting the importance that it needed all this while. And I think there's still a very long way to go in the way we write women characters, but I think we might be approaching a right direction.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for talking to us, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.